Hey Bella, what is the time?
It's 3:05, Susie. Why?
I'm starting to feel hungry. What time do you have dinner normally?
On weekdays, we have dinner at 5:30. But on the weekends, I normally have dinner with my family at about 6:15. What about you, Susie?
Same as you, Bella. But I'm feeling hungry already. Can we go and get something to eat now?
Sure, I'm always hungry. What do you feel like?
There's a donut shop over there. How about that?
That sounds perfect, but not very healthy. But let's go anyway.
Hey girls, what would you like?
You can say the time in English two different ways. 3:05 or 3:05. 5:30 or 5:30. 6:15 or 6:15. It's easy, isn't it? If you like this video, please click like, subscribe, and ring the bell. Thank you.